what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change the date and time and also close out your apps when they get into a frozen screen. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to go into firstly I'll do the easy one where if your apps get stuck. So I'm gonna open up something. Maybe here I'll just open up Among Us. Say I'll open up Among Us for example. This is just for example, and I'm gonna make sure volume's out. I don't know why it's not loading, but it will load in a sec. Yep. Okay. There we go. Okay. Wait. Let me make the volume go. Okay. So if I want to exit it, it would normally exit, right? It won't like do some random thing. But if I say I go into YouTube or something and I want it closed out and it doesn't close out, pretend this is just pretending, but pretend it doesn't close out. No matter what you do, it doesn't close out. It's like bugged. All you need to do is go onto the app, hit on Control on your keyboard, hit Control Alt and then delete. It'll bring you to a screen like this. Then click on Task Manager, and then once you've done that, since YouTube is how I opened YouTube, it opened up by Google Chrome, so it's in a Google. It's powered by Google Chrome right now. It can be powered by something else if you want. It doesn't matter what it does. It's just you got to look for something that looks like it was opened by. Or you could just say view more details to see how much like space it's taking up, so it's kind of obvious what is giving you like mostly all of the troubles. So as you can see, let me make this full screen. So Google Chrome is right here at the top, so I'm just gonna exit out of this. Okay, so right now it has closed out. As you can see, no more Google Chrome. And I can do it again. Easier way to get the task manager is right clicking on this taskbar area, then going into task manager, and then you can, I'm just going to hit on fewer details, and then you can hit on Google Chrome and task. There you go. And this is my video editor, sorry, my video screen recorder. So I'm not going to close that out right now because it's going to end the video obviously. So I'm not going to end it. But anyway, next thing I wanted to show you guys is you want to go to change the date and time, so like it will be like 22nd of the of January or something. So how you can do that is you have to search up control panel. Why is it not typing? Hello. Okay, control. Why is it not typing? Hello. Okay, there we go. Control. Oh, there we go. Control panel. Now you want to go up to the search bar right here. And you want to hit on date and time. Okay, yeah, you can just wait. Date. Oh my god, nothing types today. Okay, date and time. Yep, here it is. Click on that, and this is the screen you'll get. Once you can see the live time right now in your like area. This is the time I'm recording it. Right now it won't be the same time at your side of the country or whatever, but it will but this is the live time right now. So as you can see, it's like perfectly synced up with the minutes and hours and stuff, and it's also the date is also synced up as well. It says if you hover over this, hover over, it says Thursday 21st of January 2021. So this is the real time. If you really want, if you're some stupid person, no, I'm just joking. Some people use this, but if you want to change the time and date, you can just click on change date and time and do it. I don't even know what to say. Just do it. And I'm just gonna put the minutes up by 1 minute. So it is gonna be at, sorry, no, that's the hours. So you have to actually select which one you want. So I'm gonna click on this is 5. Okay, let's just go a bit higher to that's 5 o'clock. So Yep, we'll do that. And now, if we hit OK, that is, our time has been raised now to the 22nd of January. As you can see, I can move it back if I want, and I can also bring I can also put the time back. So I'm just gonna put the time back. Make sure to have a time in your house that is correct, otherwise this will be super bad. I don't even know what to say, but this will be kind of bad. Hey, actually, I'm gonna see what the time is, and I will meet you guys right back. Okay guys, so I just went and checked the time, and it is 5:55. So let's go and check. There we go. Oh, sorry, that's not the time. Whoops. Put the wrong time in. Okay, whatever. We'll put it up. There we go. Boom. Wait, that's 56. Bang. There we go. Okay, no, it would be 56. Yeah. Okay. Bang. There it is. That's the official time right now. And we can also change our time zone. And this does not mean that outside your oh my god, why am I even saying this? But this does not mean outside of your house it will be morning or it will be night. This is just changing the time of your computer. Oh my god, some people even think of this as, no, I'm just joking, no one thought of this, but you will see loads of different countries that you are gonna you're gonna see the time zones of, so you can see how much time difference. So like you can see that in time order. So you can see I'm pretty sure Perth is plus 8 o'clock. So if you go down to the 8 o'clock section, you should see some Australia place. Yep, okay, Perth right there. Oh, we can see Brisbane, Darwin. We can see Adelaide, Canberra, Melbourne, and Sydney all together. Hobart, yep, lots of places. We can change the time to Sydney, so I'm going to change the time to Sydney. So we go to the 10th place. There we go, Sydney time. So right now for Sydney people, if you're watching in Sydney, it's 8:57, basically 9 o'clock. I'm going to go back to Perth because I don't want to have Sydney time because I am in Perth. But yeah, that is how you can change your time. So if you want, you can do this. I'm not going to force you. No one's going to force you. You're forcing yourself. I don't even know what I'm saying, but no, I'm just joking, I do. But if you want, go ahead and do this as a test, or if you want to keep it, I don't even know. Just go do it if you want. But anyway, that is the end of today's video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share. Now see you all in the next one. Peace out.